up, vlog? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're gonna do some more fixing up on the swap of the manual. We're gonna try today and find us a nice manual center console, because this ain't happening. You know what I mean? It's heat coming from this thing. It's heat. It's heat. And also, my boy Malone should be maloning me a nice YA P2P manual 98EX 5-speed ECU. JBtuned gave me a 99 to 2000. That won't work unless I get a jumper harness and all that fugazi. My boy Malone hooking me up, you know what I mean? He said just come get it. He's in Vero Beach. I'm about 30 minutes away from Vero. So for right now, I might head to a local junkyard and see if I can find a center console of some sort. So without further adoozies, let's hit the road and see if we can find some items that we need. Yep. Now, one thing that I really noticed about when I swapped everything and kept the original ECU, the car is so sluggish right now. Like, it doesn't want to go, and I'm assuming it has something to do with the check engine light and everything, tricking the ECU, that it's in limp mode or something like that. And also, when you do the swap, you also have to rewire your IAC, which is really simple. I'll show you guys how to do that if we can find a 2-wire IAC plug today. So that would be most dope. But yeah, so hopefully we can get this bad boy rolling the way it needs to be rolling. This sluggish stuff is booty cheeks, and I don't like that. I mean, I like it, but I don't like that type. Yeah, is it me, or is like a lot of people getting Hondas here on YouTube, man? People are finally starting to see the power of Honda. Like, that's the formula to always win. If you are a big YouTuber, you got bread coming in, pick up a Honda, bro. It's the most affordable car any teenager / young adult can afford, whether it's a shell or a rolling shell or a motor that needs a head gasket replacement. Like, Honda content on YouTube is a gold mine. Super facts. Okay, so we just picked up my new manual ECU that I needed for this car. And shout out to my boy Malone with his Jap front integrity. I think it's for sale, actually. I think I've seen it on Facebook Marketplace. But yo, that's my dude. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it, man. Cool dude. Looked out for me big time. Now I don't have to go to West Palm Beach. But now I'm going to head to the junkyard to see if I can find a 2-wire IAC plug so I can rewire my IAC into the ECU harness and install that bad boy so we don't have no more check engine light and sluggy shifting from third to fourth. Like, first to second is okay, but third to fourth is just like, it's like wants to die. It's so bad. But all right, time to head to Second Chance Auto Salvage, or maybe I should Google a junkyard while I'm down. Nah, I'm gonna go to Snake Road. I mean, not Snake Road, but Second Chance. All right, let's see if we have a chance at some good salvage. Corniness at its finest. Oh, go. We're at the yard. My niece had to stay back. They won't let kids into the yard, which kind of makes sense because you don't want nothing to happen to them and knock sue the hell out of them and get rich and build the fastest, nicest EK you guys will ever see in your entire life. Man, I'm getting cocky, huh? Nope, I'm not. But I found an EK already. Please be manual. Please be manual. Please be manual. Damn it. Auto tragic. Wow, wow, wow. I got saved by the CRV. The CRV has the plug I need right there. 2-wire IAC plug. That is what I need from this 98 CRV, baby. Anybody want to go 5-lug? Hit me up. I got you. I got you, B. Cha-ching. Jaquan, bro, I found you a mint trunk. If you're watching, homie, mint trunk, baby. Ready for you, dog. I got all I needed. I really wanted a manual center console so I don't have that big ass hole in there, but I ain't gonna find it here. This junkyard is usually geared towards like cars like these, not really Hondas.
But we find her, she a kickstand, a big stand, I get behind her.
Yeah, we still bumping Crash Talk.
Praying like you got it in your pocket, yeah, that's bitch.
Oh yeah, baby. So I just got home waiting on my boy Mark to come through, and what is this? What is this? Bam! What this is? Hybrid racing. That can only mean one thing. I'm not saying it's their new B/D series shifter, but it might be. But I guess we'll open that once the time comes for a video, because I already think I know what it is. Yes, as I stated, Mark is coming into town. Well, he's already in the town. He had to stop by JB's place to pick up some stuff. But he's making his way over here to help me wire in the ECU stuff, because when it comes to depainting anything, I just Zosh it up. And what that means is I ruin it. I get the damn. You get the point. He's coming over to help me real quick, and from there, I think I'm gonna get a car wash, because this thing, bro, there's like, look at that, man. You guys can like, it's so dirty, dude. It's just like, oh, it's so nasty looking. Oh, it's so dirty. And then this side, I don't know if this happened during the swap, but like, there's like little dings in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sure you can. Like little dings in the fender, man. I don't like that at all. At all, brother. Well, I mean, before Mark gets here, I can at least do something, right? So what I did was expose the ECU, which is what we're gonna be replacing right now. This is a P2P A83, which indicates that this is indeed an auto ECU. This right here, P2P A31, indicates that this is a manual ECU. And if you couldn't tell, well, 98 Civic manual transmission.
And if you don't know, now you know.
This was manufactured December 22nd, 95. So let's get this bad boy removed. 10 mil here. As I was going to remove my ECU, Dad is in town.
It's Inception.
Oh, are you actually vlogging?
Sure.
Dad, I live in Florida. He ain't gonna vlog. That's Mark, baby.
I got a whole thing.
You got a vlog?
I got a whole thing going.
Wow, my man. I'm proud of you, bro. I'm proud. It's bad. Just got informed that I actually do need to swap the manifold for a manual one. I didn't know there was a difference, but there actually is, because the IAC actually bolts on the back. As you guys can see, the even they'll like block off, like the OEM block off that like welded there. Definitely need a manual ECU, not ECU, but manual manifold along with a throttle body. That's gonna blow. So I guess when you convert your car, you're gonna need more than just the transmission mount brackets and all that. You're gonna need a new manifold.
Only on the EK-EXs. That's only on the EK-EXs.
That sucks.
The Y8.
That is booty cheeks, brother.
It's fine. It ain't no big deal.
It's not. It's just then I gotta shave all that damn gasket off. That's Mark lives in Florida now, so just, you know what I mean.
Just waiting for the internet to get loaded up at my house.
But you gotta run Spectrum. That sucks.
That's what everybody tells me. And I had that shit where I lived before.
Spectrum sucks, dude. That shit's garbage.
As a company or just as internet?
As internet service. Probably as a company too. That shit's garbage. Super facts. I'm going to now install my 5-speed manual. I can't wire anything because, well, I don't have the right manifold, so it kind of defeats the purpose. So we're gonna see how well it does with the new ECU compared to the auto one. And yeah, see what happens from there. Aw, man.
Like, hit the gas pedal. See how it goes. Like, hold it like... Okay, you see how it did that? Like,
yeah, like,
$2 grand?
yeah, around $2 grand, it like stutters.
Yeah, that's what makes it really hard to drive in traffic.
That's so... Oh my god. Now my car is officially 800. That sucks, dude.
Turn the AC off, see if it...
I'm two-stepping on them, bro.
Yeah. With the, at least with the AC, it'll pull it down.
Yeah, turn off the AC. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, this is not it, brother. This
almost.
We gonna die. We gonna die, baby. Yeah.
Turbo boost.
Damn, that guy's fast.
So some time has passed. I made an Instagram post saying, yo, if anyone got a white manifold, guess who hits me up? Yup, Malone E30. The same dude that just gave me the ECU also has a manifold. Man, that's awesome, awesome. So He gets off of work at 5:30, so around like 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7-ish time, we're gonna head back up to V-Row, pick up that bad boy, and start working on that thing tomorrow, actually. So this video gonna be a continuation video. But for right now, I'm gonna remove the ECU, put back the auto one because I don't like the way it's like, I don't like what it's doing. I just don't like it. Then I gotta get a gasket. I think that's it, really. Coolant. Oh, I have coolant. Right there, baby. Yes, sir. That's the best coolant you can buy for your car. And you can get this coolant at Walmart for like $13, I think, something like that. That is the best coolant aside from the Honda coolant, because that is that blue stuff right there. That's that Carib coolant on Brit. I'm kidding. Shout out to all my female rough riders out there, you heard? You are a parts guy, bro. You're the plug.
Bag secured?
Bag secured. As you guys seen in the previous clip, your boy did pick up a Y8 manual manifold. Here we have my new and used Y8 manifold. Got the IAC in the back, which lets you know that is the manual manifold from a manual Civic. Got everything I needed right there. I'm gonna run that thing on this, get this thing all cleaned up, take out these injectors, fuel rail, all this is going out of here. All I need really is just the manifold itself and swap everything over, blah, 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 blah. In continuation of yesterday, now it's time to get this manifold all cleaned up. I am trying my best with my little wire wheel to get it all dolled up like I did the gearbox, but it's whatever, I just want to swap it. So, we're going to start by removing everything on this one. Should be a pretty simple swap, nothing much, I ain't got to change anything, so. Update. Got the old intake manifold off, also trying to clean up all this gunky crap right here. But old intake manifold off, I got the gasket off best as I can, but it's smoothed down. I had sanded it down the best way I can so it won't cause any leaks once I put the new gasket on. But everything, like I said, is on. Now I'm just gonna clean up all this crap that you guys see right here, because this is just dirty. I was thinking about deleting my evap canister because, I mean, I don't need it, but it's just a daily, bro. So I might just keep it until I do like a motor swap or something and then delete it then. But for now, just a daily, bro. So I'm gonna put it back on. This is the old intake manifold, and as you guys can see, the IAC is on the bottom of the throttle body, but on this, the manual, the IAC's on the back side of the manifold, which is where it's supposed to be, like right here, but it's not. It's pretty cool how like they outlined it out too. That's how it's supposed to go. But yep, that's the new one, old one, and that's why you have to change it. You have to change the manifold just for the IAC to be on that instead of actually underneath the throttle body. Crazy, but oh well. It is what it is, brother. So let's get this bad boy installed, wire up my IAC, and then wire in the ECU, and then we should have a functioning 5-speed car where I can do pulls and it don't feel like I'm about to kill the motor or something. So with the IAC plug that I got from the Junkyard yesterday, basically all you have to do is just cut off your old plug on your harness. When you do your swap, cut off your old one. You don't need the orange no more, so that's fine. You just need a 2-wire IAC plug like this. You want to crimp these two together or solder. I'm gonna go with the route of soldering with some heat shrink, and you don't need to worry about the orange anymore because that is now obsolete. Got my Walmart soldering iron, also with my Walmart solder and my Harbor Freight heat shrink. I don't know why I told you the company brand blah blah blah. Let's do this. Is all done. Now we move into the cabin, where I already got that done as well. I had to watch a YouTube video on how to depin because I suck at it, but I figured it out. And basically, you just gotta see this one. This goes for the IAC, the orange wire, but you don't need that no more. This blue one right here. This it's kind of hard. Fire! All right, so this blue one right here, I moved it over 2 slots. I'm trying to show you guys it the best way I can. Basically, it went over 2 sides. So you see where that orange wire is? That blue wire was sitting next to it, but I unplugged it and moved it all the way over to this one. There's a diagram I'll link down in the description box below on how to do all this stuff. All right, let's see. Check engine light. Nope. Gotta get fuel. Gotta get fuel. Uh-oh. That ain't good. Yeah, baby. Fixed my idle. All I had to do was scrape off all the old gasket that I failed to do. I thought I did a good job at it, but nope. So I re-cleaned the head of where the old gasket was, and yes, sir. I took off that black cover thing. I don't know. I could tuck it down though. Wow. And the best thing about all this, no check engine light. Now, let's go for a drive. So we are driving my beautiful beauty of a car, and it drives perfect. No check engine light, no flashing Predator 2 lights on the cluster. I do need a manual cluster, but for the most part, driving fine to me. It doesn't do that boggy shit where, like, if I floor it, it kind of does this shit. That was the 5th gear trying to floor it. The 3rd gear, flooring it. It's not like doing what it did before, so that's good. It's slow, like it's really slow. I definitely need an intake, a header, oh shit, cop, and an exhaust, ASAP. But it's just a daily, bro, just a daily. But right now, I'm actually headed to my barber's place. I gotta help him on the CRV to swap out 2 of the front suspension components. Well, he's doing coilovers, so we're doing that. And he's gonna cut my hair off. So, yep, no more hair for me. Yeah, man, drives much better. It's not doing what it did before. Not like acting like it doesn't want to go anywhere. And I got no check engine light, so now it's back to being just a daily, bro, just a daily. I'll see you guys to close out this video now that we fixed everything. So that is going to conclude this video. Don't roast me. I know y'all roasting me. I know my forehead look like fire. I know all this, player. Bro, it feels so good to just do this again. Oh my god, it just feels good. Now I gotta grow my hair back out. But all in all, the car is dialed. Everything is working the way it should be. And my coilover should be here very soon. So installing that should be happening right away. I still gotta unbox that hybrid package I got, which I think I know what it is. But with all that being said, I got a lot of Civic content on the way. And a quick update on the Integra, I should be picking it up this week if I didn't pick it up already by the time this video ever goes live. I think this video will be out Wednesday. I think. Yeah, this video should be out Wednesday, so yeah. Or Tuesday. I probably daily upload. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video, comment, do all the things that you don't want to do, but you do it because it's your boy, Zosh, in the building. Treyway. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.